Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. Are you keen on keeping your car engine super clean and efficient? Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to cleaning your car's engine. We'll explore step-by-step procedures, safety measures, and some useful tips to keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently. Cleaning your car engine is an important part of regular maintenance, as it helps to remove dirt, grime, and other buildup that can affect performance. In this video, we will provide you with a detailed guide on how to effectively clean your car engine, ensuring it runs smoothly and efficiently. Follow these steps to maintain the health and longevity of your vehicle. Why clean your car engine? Regularly cleaning your car engine is a crucial part of vehicle maintenance. It not only enhances the overall appearance of your engine, but also plays a significant role in maintaining the performance and longevity of your car. Here we will explore the importance and benefits of keeping your car engine clean. Importance of regular engine cleaning. Maintaining a clean car engine is essential for several reasons. Over time, dirt, grime, and grease can accumulate on the engine, leading to potential corrosion and damage. Additionally, a dirty engine can make it challenging to identify and address any leaks or mechanical issues. Regular cleaning can help prevent these problems, ensuring that your engine operates smoothly and efficiently. Benefits of a clean engine. A clean engine offers a range of benefits, including improved heat dissipation. When the engine is free from dirt and debris, it can regulate temperature more effectively, reducing the risk of overheating. Furthermore, a clean engine allows for easier visual inspections, making it simpler to identify and address any maintenance or repair needs. Additionally, it can improve the resale value of your vehicle, as a well-maintained engine reflects positively on the overall condition of the car. Regular cleaning also provides an opportunity to check for any signs of wear and tear, addressing issues before they escalate, thus potentially saving on costly repairs in the long run. Preparing to clean your car engine. Before starting the engine cleaning process, it's important to gather the necessary supplies and take the required precautions to ensure a safe and effective cleaning experience. Gather the necessary supplies. Degreaser. Choose a high-quality degreaser designed specifically for cleaning car engines. Look for one that is safe for use on various engine components and effective in removing grease and grime. Protective gear. Wear old clothes, gloves, and safety goggles to protect yourself from chemical splashes and dirt during the cleaning process. Brushes and scrubbing tools. Have an assortment of brushes and scrubbing tools of different sizes to effectively clean various engine parts, including a soft bristled brush for delicate components. Plastic bags and waterproofing materials. Use plastic bags to cover sensitive electrical components and wiring to prevent water and cleaning solutions from damaging them. Rags and towels. Keep plenty of clean rags and towels handy for wiping down excess water and degreaser from the engine. Water source. Ensure access to a water source, such as a garden hose with a sprayer attachment, for rinsing off the engine after cleaning. Precautions to take before cleaning. Cool engine. Make sure the engine is completely cool before starting the cleaning process to prevent any issues with the cleaning solutions evaporating too quickly or causing damage to hot components. Disconnect the battery. To avoid electrical mishaps, disconnect the car battery before initiating the cleaning process. This also prevents the risk of short circuits and accidental engine starts. Protect sensitive components. Cover exposed electrical components, such as the alternator, distributor, and spark plug openings, with plastic bags and secure them with waterproofing materials to prevent water damage. Avoid direct water spray. Be cautious when rinsing the engine and avoid spraying water directly onto sensitive components, such as the alternator, air intake, and electrical connections. Taking these precautions and gathering the necessary supplies will ensure a safe and efficient engine cleaning process. Now that you're prepared, let's move on to the next steps for cleaning your car engine. Steps for safely cleaning the engine. When it comes to cleaning your car engine, it's important to follow a few crucial steps to ensure safety and effectiveness. First, make sure the engine has cooled down completely before you begin. Disconnect the battery to avoid any electrical mishaps while cleaning. Next, cover sensitive components such as the intake, electrical connections, and air filter with plastic bags to prevent water and cleaning products from causing damage. Once these precautions are in place, you can proceed with the cleaning process. Removing dirt and grime. Before applying any cleaning products, start by using a soft bristled brush or compressed air to remove loose dirt and debris from the engine surface. This will prevent any abrasive particles from causing scratches during the cleaning process. Pay special attention to crevices and tight spaces where dirt tends to accumulate. Degreasing the engine. After removing the loose dirt, apply a degreaser to the entire engine surface. Choose a degreaser specifically designed for car engines, as household cleaners may not be suitable and can cause damage. Use a brush to agitate the degreaser, focusing on areas with heavy buildup. Allow the degreaser to sit for the recommended time to effectively break down oil and grime. Rinsing and drying the engine. Once the degreaser has had time to work its magic, rinse the engine thoroughly with low-pressure water. Avoid using high-pressure water to prevent water from forcing its way into sensitive electrical components. After rinsing, remove the plastic bags and allow the engine to air dry completely. Alternatively, you can use a microfiber cloth to gently dry the engine and ensure no water spots are left behind. Tips for cleaning specific engine parts. When it comes to maintaining your car's engine, cleanliness can contribute to its overall performance and longevity. Cleaning specific engine parts is an essential aspect of this upkeep. Here are some tips for cleaning the battery, engine cover, and engine bay. Cleaning the battery. Safety first. Before attempting to clean the battery, ensure the engine is turned off and the negative terminal is disconnected to prevent any accidents. Removing corrosion. Mix baking soda with water to create a paste and use a brush to scrub away any corrosion on the battery terminals. Rinse with water and dry with a clean cloth. Applying protection. After cleaning, apply a thin layer of petroleum jelly to the terminals to prevent future corrosion. Cleaning the engine cover. Removing debris. Use a soft brush or compressed air to remove any loose debris, dust, or leaves from the engine cover. Washing the cover. Wipe down the engine cover with a mild detergent and water solution. Rinse thoroughly and dry with a microfiber cloth to prevent water spots. Restoring shine. Apply a suitable plastic or vinyl protectant to the engine cover to restore its shine and protect it from UV damage. Cleaning the engine bay. Preparation. Cover sensitive components such as the air intake, electrical connections, and exposed filters with plastic bags or aluminum foil to prevent water damage. Degreasing. Use a suitable engine degreaser and a brush to agitate any dirt, grime, and oil buildup in the engine bay. Rinse thoroughly with a gentle stream of water. Drying and protecting. Allow the engine bay to dry completely before removing the protective covers. Apply a layer of silicone-based dressing to hoses, plastic covers, and other components to protect and rejuvenate the surfaces. Maintaining a clean engine not only improves its visual appeal, but also allows for easier inspection of potential issues and helps in retaining the vehicle's resale value. Regular cleaning of specific engine parts can contribute to the overall health and performance of your car's engine. Ensuring safety and precautions. Engine cleaning is a task that requires careful attention to safety measures to avoid accidents and injuries. Here are some key points to consider before starting the cleaning process. Safety measures during the cleaning process. 1. Protective gear. Always wear protective gear such as gloves and goggles to shield yourself from chemical splashes and debris. Cool engine. Ensure that the engine is completely cool before starting the cleaning process to prevent burns and accidents. Disconnect battery. Disconnect the car battery to reduce the risk of electrical mishaps during the cleaning process. Environmental considerations. Cleaning agents. Choose environmentally friendly cleaning agents to minimize the impact on the environment. Containment. Use a containment mat or tray to catch any runoff and prevent the cleaning agents from contaminating the surrounding environment. Proper disposal. Dispose of the wastewater and cleaning materials responsibly, adhering to local regulations and guidelines. Dealing with engine troubles. Visible damage. Inspect the engine for any visible signs of damage or wear and address any issues before starting the cleaning process. Professional consultation. If you suspect any underlying engine troubles, it's advisable to consult a professional mechanic before proceeding with the cleaning. Careful handling. Handle delicate engine components with care to avoid exacerbating any existing troubles. Taking these safety and precautionary measures will not only ensure a safe cleaning process but also contribute to environmental responsibility and the longevity of your engine. Maintaining a clean car engine is essential for its longevity and performance. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can effectively and safely clean your car engine. Remember to prioritize safety by disconnecting the battery and using appropriate cleaning products. Regular engine cleaning not only enhances the visual appeal of your vehicle, but also prevents potential issues caused by dirt and grime buildup. With proper care and maintenance, your car engine will continue to run smoothly for years to come. If you found this information eye-opening, please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.